do you need to install Acura wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Acura wheel spacers are a common modification for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Acura wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing Acura wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Acura wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of automatic wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Acura wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Acura wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Acura wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of the wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the Acura wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute and better shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So if you are considering installing Acura wheel spacers for your vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.